Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to use scientific calculator for matrix operations. We know for mathematics and any other subjects, we need matrix, their multiplication, their higher powers, finding determinant, transpose and many more operations. So today we are going to cover how to find out determinant of given matrix and the higher powers of A. Also, we are going to see how to take product of two different matrices using scientific calculator. Here we are using FX series 991 ES plus. Now let's go for how to find determinant of a matrix A. Here I have taken matrix A with a 3 by 3. We know that determinant of a matrix can be obtained if the matrix is a square matrix. So let's see first how to enter the matrix elements into the scientific calculator. To do so, we have to enter into matrix mode. So you can see this button near on button, there is a mode button. If you click it, you get different modes available. Here matrix mode is at 6 number. So we will put 6. Now we want to put matrix 1, that is mat A. So we will click on 1. It will ask us for the order of matrix. So different order you can put. Here we want 3 by 3. It is at number 1. So we will click 1. So now here is the format of matrix where we can put elements of this matrix. So here our first element is -2. So -2, then we have to push equal to button. So that number is entered as an element in the matrix. Similarly,
1, 3, -2, -3, 11, 2, 1 and -5.
so here our matrix is entered 3 by 3. So just push on button so that matrix is saved as mat A. Now we will see different operations. So we are in matrix mode, you can see here. Now another matrix word you can see here near the button 4, but it is in yellow color. That's why we need to use shift button to use those operations. So wherever yellow script you can see, these operations are active when you use them with shift button. There are many operations for single key. You can see matrix is written in yellow mode. That's why we need to use shift key for those operations. So we use shift and 4 to see different operations on matrices can be done here. Dimension, data, mat A, mat B, mat C, answer of the previous operations, then determinant and transpose. Here 7th number is for determinant, so we go for 7. It is asking for determinant of what? So we have mat A saved here. So again shift 4, mat A is at number 3, so 3, then bracket closed. Simply push equal to, it will give you the determinant of given A. So very simple. Now we will go for how to find out square of the given matrix. Our first A matrix is already the calculator. We'll go for shift 4, then mat A is at 3, so 3, so this is mat A into, repeat the procedure, shift 4, mat A is at 3 again, so this is mat A into mat A. When you push the equal to button, you get square of the matrix. On button, so matrix A is saved. Now we will go for how to cube the matrix. Find out A cube, you can use previous answer which is for A square, like this, shift 4, so you have mat answer here, that is 6, into mat A will give us A cube because previous answer was for A square. So mat A gives us A cube of given A. There is another method finding mat A cube, that is mat A into mat A into mat A. It gives us mat A cube or A cube matrix, which is simply -32, 4 and so on. Okay, on the similar line you can have mat A raised to 4, that is mat A into mat A 4 times. Let's go for it. Shift 4 mat A into shift 4 mat A into shift 4 mat A into shift 4 mat A gives us A raised to 4, like this. There is another way to find out A raised to 4, that is shift 4 mat A, and you can see square, so this is A square. So if you push equal to button, it will give you A square directly. So there are two ways, either mat A into mat A or mat A square. So here we will go for A raised to 4, so into shift 4A, again square, so A square into A square gives us A raised to 4, the same thing. Here we will see how to find out product of two different matrices. So matrix A is already filled in calculator. Now let's fill matrix B. So now we will go to mode. 6 is for matrix. Then we feed now mat B, which is at number 2. So we will click 2. It is also 3 by 3 matrix. So we have to push 1. Now you can enter matrix B. That is 1.
Then a 2, then 5, then 3, 1 and 4, 1, 1 and 2 as third row.
Okay, once you feed all the elements, just push on button, that is saved already. Now you can perform operation with shift key on 4 key. Okay, so we'll go for shift 4. Now you can select mat A as third number, into shift 4, and mat B is at 4 number. So you can see here mat A into mat B equal to gives us the product of two matrices, that is 400, 040 and 004. So this is the way we can find out product of two different matrices. Thank you everyone. In next lecture, we will meet with another operations with scientific calculators. Thank you.